Welcome back, everybody. So guys, here in this lecture we're going to talk about something another of the Bootstrap. So we're going to talk about the cards, a new option in the Bootstrap 4. It is actually something a kind of a box with some padding around its content. Also you can add the header, footer, content, and different kind of colors in it. So how we just can make a card. I'm just going to talk about the basic card for now. So for making the very simple and basic card, we just need to go there. Actually, we need to go there where we just want to make the card or the element of the Bootstrap. We just want to make like we are here right now, and then we need to put the here the div, and then inside the div I'm going here and adding the class of card, and then I'm just going inside the div, and I'm just making another div, and here I'm making another class. Spelling must be cleared. Okay, the card body. First of all, I'm just making a card body, and here I'm just typing the card body. Okay, now save it. We just made the card body. Now I'm just going to the browser. I'm just refreshing that, and there you can see that the card body, we just made it. Okay, it's actually looking fine, and we've made it done. Now we just need to proceed to the next one. I'm just going there back, and what more I just want to do for now. But absolutely, that is a very basic card. So we are just gonna make something more advanced, more new. I'm going there. Well, I'm just gonna make another card here. Again, I'm just make a new class here. The card here, I'm adding the card. I'm going inside the card, and here I'm just I made another div and another class. I'm just using here card header. Inside the card header, I'm just going there and type in something like the card header. I can put anything here, whatever you just want I can put. Then I just need to go down, and I'm just making another one like that, and the class again, and the card body. Now body, and here the card body, and then I'm just going to the next one and the div, and here the class card footer. Saving, now going to the browser back, and here just refreshing the thing, and now you can see that the card body, card header. Oh my god, I just oh, okay, one thing is that this is a different card. Actually it was getting mixed. BDW here, I just need to make the card footer text, and then I'm just simply putting the BR, nothing more than that, because it's okay. Refresh that. Now you can see that the card body, it's different one. It's a basic card. This is the actual card, the card header, the card body, and the card footer. Now we can do a lot more things than that. Yes, absolutely, it's a nice thing, but we also can design it with different kind of styles. I'm just going to tell you. Other than that, the card header, body, and the footer, you can actually use the unique design of the Bootstrap, the unique template of the Bootstrap. I'm just going to apply them. This is the header, this is the body, and this is the footer. So now I'm just going to make another one right after this card. The div, okay. Class again. The card. Inside the card, I'm doing the same thing, the div, the class. Oh my gosh, I need no space to put the class, the card header. Okay, the header, whatever. Right after that, the card body, and the body, and after the body I'm just putting something different. I'm using the Bootstrap general template for the colors, different color template. Here I'm just going to use the BG primary, and here the primary color, whatever. Save it. Now go to the browser, refresh that. There you'll be seeing this thing. Okay, and a few things we need to do is, number one, we need to add the BR. Number two, why not we just pick this up and paste it to the top one. Just secondly, it was not looking too much fine, so I'm just gonna cut that off. I'm just gonna paste it here, save it. Now go to the browser back and refresh that. Now you can see that the whole table now changed. It is actually looking at least better than that one. So refresh that. Now you can see that it is looking like that, a little dark color and a light color, a normal color actually. So in this simple way, you can use different kind of Bootstrap templates. The Bootstrap templates which you can just use in this in a moments like that. You can use the danger here, danger, save, and specifically when you're just working on different colored cards, yeah, this is looking awesome, but you also can delete the header. You only can use the body with different kind of designs here, like I've just put it the BG danger here. You can put the BG danger, BG primary, and different styles still are there, like the BG warning, the BG secondary, the BG light, the BG dark, and the BG success etc. A lot of things are here. We've talked about the Bootstrap design already, so I'm just gonna put them uh, for sure, so you will have no problem to understanding what I'm just telling. So I'm just simply copying that and pasting here, and here I'm just making it the danger, and I'm just making it success, and a little fast work required. I'm just making this for you because I just want you to understand what I'm just doing and why. So the primary, and at least you, if you just forgot what are the basic elements of the Bootstrap, so you will now know. Okay, the template of the Bootstrap, the warning, and here the same way I'm just gonna do. After the warning, I'm just gonna put the secondary. Okay, that's not bad. And then here again came back with the new one, and now I can use I've used the primary, I've used the warning, the secondary. Now I'm just going to use the info here, the info, remove that things, info, and right after that here the light and the dark. Light, for the dark one we need to go to the next one, so I'm just going to copy or just going to simply paste. We've already copied the danger one, so the dark, save it, go to the browser and check that, refresh that. Now you can see that different kind of Bootstrap colors all are there, so I think they're looking awesome. And yeah, it is actually just looking like Chrome design, by the way. Okay, well, we've done that. Now we just can move on to the next one, the next tile, the next step. So I'm just going to talk about that in the same the cards chapter. So the next one is we also can apply different kind of text. We can update, we can use different kind of text styles inside that. For example, here we're just going to the first one. Here it is, inside the body. I'm just deleting that, and inside the body I'm just doing one thing. I just want to make a simple title, the text title. So I'm just making the div first, and inside the div I'm just setting the class here, and the class here title I'm adding is card title. Okay, card title. And for the value for the title here I'm just adding the title, and right after the title I'm just adding the div again. Oh my gosh, here the class again, the card text. Here I'm just adding some text, the text of the card, and inside the text of the card I'm adding a link. Actually the link should be the a tag, and here I'm adding the class card link, and click here. And yeah, because it's a link, so we need to add one more thing, the hyperreference and hash. Save, go to the browser and refresh that. So there it is. This is a specific link, and this is a title. This is the text of the card. So this is how we just can use the bootstrap in these things. You also can change the title from the the div, from the div to the h4 or h3, whatever you prefer. Save, go back and refresh that. You can see that the title is now bigger, the text of the card, the card footer, etc, everything is there and everything is working fine, I think. So now we can move on to the next step. So I think we should be ending this, or in the same class we should be played with the images inside the card. So for adding the class, the images, for playing with the images inside the card, we need to have some images. So I'm just going to the folder, I'm going there, and do we have the cool images? What is the image it is? Let's just check this up. Okay, we have the image of some kind of food. So I'm just gonna make a new card at the very end, right after different kind of colors. I'm here I'm just making a new card, and I'm just absolutely deleting the color, because here we're just gonna put the images, so we're not gonna use the color again. So for the color, we have to be outside of the body and the header. So I'm just deleting the header for now. Okay, this is not very necessary for now. So the img tag and the src, and the image I'm adding is, the folder is img slash img1.jpg. This is the image I'm adding here. Okay, save it now. And now, did we do everything fine? No, we didn't. We still need to do a lot of things here. We need to put the class, the actual class of the bootstrap card module. So sorry, the class card img. And yeah, I'm adding the top. Why I'm adding the top, you'll understand that. Go to the browser and refresh that, and here you can see that it's there, not there. So we need to go down. Okay, this is there, but you can see that the size is too big for the image. So we're just gonna put something, some kind of limitation here, the style. Oh my gosh, I'm adding the limitation to the actual card instead of the image only. So the width I'm adding is something 500 pixels. Save. Now go to the browser and refresh that. So there, now you can see that this is the card, the new card I've added here. You can see that the image is on the top, and images automatically, you can see that it's adjusted automatically, and actually accurately in its size. And there you can see that the body text. So this is how it works. But there is a thing, for example, okay, the body is looking right after the text, but do you want some text on the image? So here I'm adding the div and the card img overlay. In here I'm adding things like the h4 again, or h4, don't need to put the h4. I'm just directly putting the div and the class card text. And here I'm just putting something like the overlay text. Save, go to the browser, refresh that. So there, you need to go down, and you can see that the overlay text is here. However, the writing is not too good because of the image contrast, but at least we have the text there. Also, we just can add the style, the color white. I just want a white color, so go back and refresh that. So there you will be able to see the overlay text. So this is how, yeah, that's really cool, and that's really simple. You actually do not need the body too. You can delete the body. Now I'm deleting the body. You can see that. Refresh the page again, and now you can see that there is only the image and the text overlay. You do not need any kind of extra coding for doing this kind of interesting effect. You just can make it by doing these simple tips. I just did that. So in the next lecture we're going to do something more different. Stay tuned and goodbye.